I got a text message from somebody yesterday and she's like, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to sell. This is just crazy. What am I doing? So I was like, okay, this is all about beliefs and mindset. And it is destructive if it's the wrong belief system and the wrong mindset in sales. And every belief has consequences, whether it's good or it's bad. And it determines how we feel. It determines how we think, which leads to action, the inaction that we take or the action that we take. So if you don't like your environment that you are in right now, then there's something about your belief system that you have to change. So when my friend was frantic yesterday going, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm telling you, she does know what she's doing. But at that moment, she was having the belief that she didn't know what she was doing. And it is something that will sabotage your sales 100% of the time because mindset is about 70% of selling. If you are not in the right mindset, your customer, your client is going to know in a heartbeat, and they are not going to buy from you.